Alright guys, we are at the Hotel Valley Ho in Scottsdale, Arizona, room 616. It's the executive suite. I'm going to show you around here. We got Amanda over here on her looking at the TV. So on the upper level here, you have a living room. Nice TV there. A little office area in the corner. And then over here, there's a balcony. This room has more balconies than I've ever seen. So you got a balcony here. Over here, you have a kitchen and bathroom. There's another balcony here. Nice table. Full kitchen. Fully stocked bar here. You have literally Tito's, everything right here. I'm guessing that costs. They do take a pretty handsome fee when you first get here. They take a pretty big hold on your credit card. So my guess is you got a nice little robe here. And this is bathroom number 1. A little stand-up shower. We'll go downstairs. Very nice room, very clean. Very cool property. So we'll start over here to the right. Master closet here. You got a washer and a dryer. Big bathroom. So there's a sink, another robe, bathroom, stand-up shower, and look at that tub. You can actually open the blinds to another deck over here. There you go. Zoom me out a little bit. And out at this deck, there's actually a day bed out here, which is really cool. And this is the master bedroom. Nice little sitting area for the TV. Very cool room. Another exit that goes the floor down. So we're floor 6, so this is floor 5 down here. So it's a 2-story villa. Little powder area where you can do your makeup, and then there's another balcony here. So there's a ton of balcony space. But look at that. Look at that Arizona view. So here it is, Hotel Valley Ho. Executive Suite, Scottsdale, Arizona. Let us know if you have any questions or want to book this property. All right, guys, I know I already did the tour of the room, but I got to show you this. So I was doing some exploring here and opened the drawers. Ta-da, look at all this. You got all this, right? Yes, snack time. Anytime. Snack time is anytime. Anytime, man, just eat away. But hold on, so now we're going to show you the refrigerator.
Get ready.
Get ready for this. This is crazy. Look at this, fully stocked refrigerator. You got wines, Gatorades for fillers. You got club sodas, Red Bull, sugar-free Red Bull, Pops. You literally have everything, saucers, makers, Jameson. So anyway, I had to put this in here. Very cool. I love that I don't have to go to the liquor store because it's all right here. I'm sure that we're going to pay for it handsomely.
Okay. Well, what I was going to do
anyway, so there it is.